The most popular vinegar in the natural health community is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy. People have been using it for centuries in cooking and medicine. It is claimed to lead to all sorts of benefits, some of which are even supported by science. Do you know how great it could be for your health? In today's video, we're going to show you 6 proven benefits of apple cider vinegar. High in acetic acid, which has potential biological effects. Apple cider vinegar has been made in a 2-step process related to how alcohol is made. The first step exposes crushed apples to yeast, which ferments the sugars and turns them into alcohol. Bacteria are added to the alcohol solution in the second step, which further ferments the alcohol and turns it into acetic acid, the main active compound in vinegar. Now, before we move on to the next one, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get instant notifications when our new videos upload. Can help kill harmful bacteria. Vinegar can assist in killing pathogens, including bacteria. It has traditionally been used for cleaning and disinfecting, treating nail fungus, lice, warts, and ear infections. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, used vinegar for wound cleaning over 2,000 years ago. It may lower your blood sugar levels and help manage diabetes. Pretty much everyone should benefit from keeping their blood sugar levels in the normal range. The most effective way to do that is to avoid refined carbs and sugar. But apple cider vinegar can also have a powerful effect. It improves insulin sensitivity during a high-carb meal by 19 to 34% and significantly lowers blood sugar levels and insulin responses. It reduces blood sugar by 34% after eating 50 grams of white bread. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bedtime can reduce fasting blood sugar in the morning by 4%. Helps you lose weight and reduces belly fat. Several studies on human beings show that vinegar can enhance the feeling of fullness. It can help you eat fewer calories and lose weight. Apple cider vinegar only contains about 3 calories per tablespoon, which is extremely low. It can increase feelings of fullness and help you eat fewer calories, which may lead to weight loss. Lowers cholesterol and reduces your risk of heart disease. Heart disease is currently the leading cause of death in the world. It is known that a number of measurable biological factors are associated with a reduced or increased risk of heart disease. Studies show that apple cider vinegar can lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Apple cider vinegar may also contain the antioxidant chlorogenic acid, which has been shown to protect LDL cholesterol particles from becoming oxidized, a crucial step in the heart disease process. Several studies on animals have shown that vinegar can reduce blood triglycerides, cholesterol, and blood pressure, but this needs to be confirmed in more human studies. Improved hair health. Basically, apple cider vinegar is a common ingredient found in natural shampoos due to its acetic acid, which helps in lowering the pH naturally. Lower pH has been shown to help maintain healthy hair, and the antimicrobial particles of apple cider vinegar are also beneficial for maintaining a healthy and strong mane. Apple cider vinegar can not only help balance and clear your hair, but it can also fight your bacteria, which can damage the look and health of your hair. So that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.